Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel as always. My name is Liman, and in today's video we're gonna talk about the NVC stage. Let's get to it. If you are ready, let's get to it. Once USCIS approves your petition, they will send you I-797 approval notice, and at the meantime they will send your case to NVC. NVC will process your case, create it, and then send you this welcome letter, which include case number is right here, and ID number right here. Invoice ID number is right here. This is what you need to log in to your NVC account. If you want to go ahead and read it, it's fine with me. We're gonna go to the next email you receive from NVC. It usually takes 72 hours to get activated, but in my case it took only 24 hours. But when you receive this email right here, that means it's activated. They're gonna tell you we were recently notified that we are now ready for you to begin filing your application with the NVC. Our role is to collect the fees, administratively prepare for you for your visa appointment, and schedule your interview. And they can tell you what documentation you need. For example, right here you can read them. You will need this when you go to NVC account. Thus, you have to collect this documentation when you go to NVC account. First thing, this is NVC website. To sign in, first thing you gotta do, check I have read the Terms of Privacy Act notice. Then you put your case number right here and then continue. When you do that, another page pop up with the case number. Then you have to enter the invoice ID number. Then you're gonna choose the one that apply for you, petitioner, applicant, or attorney, or a third party. And then you're gonna answer the characters shown right here, and then you hit continue. Then it's gonna take you to your account. In my case, for example, we're gonna talk about it right here. The case number is gonna be on the top right here. Visa class, in my case, is CR1. Your case is currently at. In my case, it's Casablanca. The visa is already been issued. But in your case, it's gonna be right here at NVC. Right here, in your case, it's gonna be at NVC. And the foreign state of chargeability is gonna be your country. In my case, is Morocco. Interview location is my city called Casablanca, and the priority date is the 7th June 2022. I want to mention this right here. If you want to modify your email address, this is where you modify it. You click edit and you modify it. This is very important. That's the way NVC communicate with you. They're not gonna send you no letters. They're gonna communicate with you by email. So we go to the next page right here, which is the petitioner and the principal applicant. First thing you gotta do, you gotta pay the fee for both affidavit of support fee and IV fee. Both fees right here. You click on it, it's gonna take you to the window where you pay the fee by your bank account or credit card, and it's the same thing over here. Same way, you're gonna do it the same way. So you're gonna start via IV application and start uploading the documents for principal applicant and the petitioner. This is where we add documentation. This is first one is for the petitioner. We will need Form I-A64, affidavit of support, federal income tax, W-2s, Form 1099, any schedule if you have one, proof of U.S. domicile, and any form of 1099s. For the principal applicant, you need a passport, biometric page, photographs, birth certificate, marriage certificate, and a police certificate. In my case, I added that one just in case. It's always to add some more items. We're gonna go to the next one. Now, when you completed IV application, which is DS260, when you submit it, they will send you this email right here. Then gonna tell you that your DS260, you submitted your DS260. They're gonna give you the date, the name, and completed where. and complete the win with the case number. And also they will attach the confirmation page for you that you will need for your interview. If something goes wrong, they will send you this. In my case, it did not, but I received that way. I don't know why. But when I went to my account, everything was fine. I didn't see no problem. Just in case they send you this email, don't get panic. Sometimes they send it, but everything was fine. Now, when you submitted everything and all your documentation been accepted, they're gonna send you this email at 2 months, 2 months and a half, some people 3 months. They're gonna tell you that you become documentary qualified, which is a good thing. Once you become documentary qualified, NVC, the national visa, received all the fees, forms, and documents that are required prior to attending an immigrant visa interview at U.S. Embassy or Consulate General overseas. NVC will work with your consulate in your country to schedule an interview appointment for you. Always, if you see right here, always the email that will have your case ID number and the invoice ID number. So now you become a documentary qualified. So the good thing, they're gonna schedule your interview. So this one we'll talk about that. This one. So now they confirm your interview. They're gonna send you another email that they're gonna tell you that the NVC completed its processing of your immigrant visa application and forwarded to U.S. Embassy Consulate General, where an immigrant visa interview has been scheduled. Appointment information is located at the bottom of this email. So we're gonna go to the bottom of this email. If you wanna read this, you can read it. This is the bottom of this email right here. They're gonna tell you the national visa has completed its processing of this case, and any further inquiry should be addressed at the consulate or embassy. So immigrant visa interview details, they're gonna tell you interview date and time, and they're gonna tell you interview location, where, and they're gonna tell you here just NVC case number and the invoice ID number and the principal applicant name and the preference category of the visa. In my case, it's CR1, conditional, IR1, spouse of US citizen, and a number. At this point, they're gonna, for the status of your visa, is gonna be at, first it's gonna be at NVC, then in transit. Now it's gonna be ready. So this is the stage of an NVC from start to finish. This is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in the next video.